Hello my dear viewers, welcome today. We are going to learn on how to use matrix method to solve for the value of x and y in this pair of simultaneous linear equation, that is x plus y is equal to 0 and y minus x minus y is equal to 4. So the belief that you already know how to multiply matrices and also to write on in matrix form, and also you know how to find the determinant of a matrix and also the inverse of a matrix, and therefore we are going to begin. So the first thing you are supposed to do is to write this pair of simultaneous equation in matrix form. And if you are supposed to write it in matrix form, that is, we begin by a coefficient matrix. Then we multiply by the variable matrix in order to get the constant matrix. So how do we get the coefficient matrix from the pair of simultaneous equation? Here we know the coefficient of x is 1, the coefficient of y is also 1, and the 0 is the constant. Then we have, so for this it is actually of the form ax plus by is equal to c1. So let this be a1, this be b1. a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. And the other equation, so it is a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Therefore, to write it in matrix form, the coefficient of x, which is a1, then coefficient of y, which is b1, then the coefficient of x in the second equation is a2, and the other one is b2. So that is the coefficient matrix. We have the variable x and y, so we write it in column matrix. That way will be equal to the constant, which is c1, c2. Therefore, from the given equation, simultaneous equation, so coefficient of x is 1, the other one is 1, this is 1, the coefficient of y is minus 1. So that is the coefficient matrix. Then multiply by the variable matrix. Here we have x and y, so it should follow that order. Will be equal to the constant matrix. In our case here, c1 is 0 and c2 is 4. Now this is a matrix equation obtained from the pair of simultaneous equation. Therefore, from the coefficient matrix, we need to determine the determinant. And how do we get the determinant? We multiply the elements in the main diagonal. This will be a1, b2, subtract element in the secondary diagonal, a2, b2. And therefore, in our case here, a1 is 1 multiplied by b2 is minus 1 minus a2 is 1 and then b2 is 1. So this will be minus 1 minus 1. We end up getting minus 2. So the determinant of the coefficient matrix is minus 2. Next is to get the inverse of the coefficient matrix. And to get the inverse of a matrix denoted this way. So it is 1 over the determinant of a matrix. And then we are going to interchange the elements in the main diagonal. So we shall have B2 and A1. So the other diagonal, which is secondary, we reverse the sign or change the sign. So this will be minus A2, the other one will be minus B1. And therefore, now the inverse for this matrix is 1 over the determinant, and the determinant is minus 2. Then interchange the elements in the main diagonal. So you have 1 and minus 1, so it will be minus 1 and the other one 1. Then we reverse the sign of the element in the secondary diagonal. So this will be minus 1, the other one will be minus 1. So this is the inverse of the matrix. So we can work it out, simplify it, multiply by this scalar. So minus half times minus 1. So we have positive a half. Then the other one minus a half times minus 1. So positive a half. So minus a half times minus 1. We get positive a half. And lastly, minus a half times 1. We get minus a half. So this is our inverse of the matrix, and therefore we are going to pre-multiply both sides of the matrix equation by the inverse. So when we say pre-multiply, the inverse should come before, and therefore here we have the inverse is minus a half, minus a half, minus a half, negative half. Multiply now by 1, this coefficient matrix. Then multiply by the variable matrix will be equal to pre-multiply again both sides. So we have minus a half, mean positive a half, a half, minus a half. We multiply by the variable matrix 0, 4. Now, these are 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. As we multiply, whatever we are going to get is a 2 by 2 matrix. So we begin multiply the first row, first column. So minus a half times 1, that is a half, plus minus a half, a half times 1, we get a half. Then first row, second column. First row, second column. A half times 1, that is a half, plus a half times minus 1, so minus a half. Next, second row, first column. A half times 1, we get a half, plus minus a half times 1, we get minus a half. And lastly, multiply second row, second column. So we have a half times 1, which is a half, plus negative a half, plus times negative 1, which is plus a half. Then we have the variable matrix will be equal to, again here we multiply the inverse times the constant matrix. So we have first row, first column. So a half times 0, 0, plus a half times 4, which is 2. Then second row, first column, a half times 0, 0, plus minus a half times 4, we get minus 2. A half plus a half, it's 1. A half minus a half, 0. A half minus a half, 0. A half plus a half, 1. Then multiply by the variable matrix will be equal to this. Now 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 minus 2 minus 2. Now this matrix 1 0 0 1 is an identity matrix which is actually equal to 1. It looks like 1, or it behaves like 1. So therefore this 1, so multiplied by this, we end up getting xy will be equal to 2 minus 2. And therefore we compare the corresponding element, and therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2. So that's how we solve a simultaneous linear equation using matrix method. Thank you so much. See you in our next video.